makeup, polish for ointment, and the rubbing alcohol. Don't you?
It's so sticky in my nose. Is that alcohol?
Okay, close your eyes. This is medicine. This is medicine. I have.
Oh, is that?
Yeah, yeah.
Gonna freeze my nose?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, I can feel this. Maybe not the lip.
It's not.
You touch it?
No.
Good. Now. You have a nice crease. Beautiful crease.
Thank you. I like my crease.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good right there.
Yeah.
See how nice it is? See, this is called crease. You like it? The mark?
Yeah, that's good.
Is that good, or
What do you think?
you think that's good, Jen, or back a little bit more?
I don't think you want it that high.
No,
Okay.
I was thinking
No.
more forward.
More
Yeah,
forward?
no,
If
that's
anything.
Okay, that's
yeah.
fine then. That's good.
That's an itch. Is my nose supposed to feel itchy?
That's good. When you put it down. That's good. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Yeah. Don't move your body. And for a moment, relax your body. Relax your body. Just relax. And you're done. Already done, Brittany? You're done. I told you you're done. You're done. Done. You're done.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh my
Brittany.
God, Britt, looks good.
How nice you're looking. Ask your mom.
It looks good.
Sorry.
Look how red you are.
That hurt.
Holy crumoly.
I gave you paper.
Yeah, I have the paper.
Can I see the paper, please?
It's tucked in this.
Paper.
Get the paper out, Jen.
Paper.
It's on the side, right there.
Huh.
Right here.
2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.
And
Look
that
down.
part because I have to explain.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to explain. You see everything I'm drawing?
Yes.
Can you focus?
Both days?
Yeah.